Hi, I'm Curtis with OPENTEXT CYBERSECURITY. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to explain, demonstrate, and show some of the data operators available in ArcSight Search. In this example, we'll be using these operators to help simplify, filter, and sort the information returned in our search results. In this use case, we've determined that we might have an insider threat problem. We've got a credential and we've got a sensitive network, and we want to see if that user has been up to anything within that network. I can use my natural language like search to say if I see any username that equals the username in this case, and any event taking place on hosts in my financial network, and then I can use my top operator to look at what sort of operations that user has been performing within that network. In this case, I get a list of the activities that user Zon has been up to within the financial network. I can see that they've logged in a number of times, changed passwords, created accounts, created new users, and accepted passwords, which may be indicative of somebody attempting lateral movement or escalation. One of the ways that recon is more powerful than you expect is the ability to use our SQL queries. So we can take any SQL expression that would work within the database and any operator and do a similar search that's even case insensitive. In order to avoid some typos, I'm going to copy paste from something I prepared earlier. But here you can see we are using the ilike operator to look for that user as well as the financial, and once again passing that to the top operator to help create a list of the most common operations that have been spotted by this search. And once again, we can see those logons, the accounts being created, passwords being set, new users, and because we don't have to worry about case sensitivity, we've caught a new group being created as well. I appreciate the time that you've given me today. For more information on ArcSight Search, please contact your account manager to schedule a demo or check out the links and resources below.